All right, I'm doing this metallic gold pearl on this Pew Pew. I got, I don't know, probably like 3 coats on there so far. All right, on to the handle. I'm carefully there's no way to fix that. That's where I'm at so far. Trying to be careful getting this outlined on the handle. Trying not to cast a shadow so I can see where I'm going. Try to do like a little scribble, not too much of a clean outline, but just a really kind of like a shaky. Yeah, I'd say that that would be, let's stop there. That looks good. Take some tape off. Clean some overspray. Yeah. Got a couple pieces of tape in there. Clear it. Put it together. Go see if it works. All right, it's time. Time for some. Time for the protective coating. Kind of nervous. Putting a satin clear enamel. Shook it up real good. All right. I got it back together. I had to go online to find out how to put the spring back in. Actually, I just contacted the owner and asked him, can you send me a video on how to assemble this thing? So yeah, I got it done. Clip. This thing is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Very pleased with the outcome. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but gold and pearl blue. It's like maybe metallic. I don't know. It has a little bit of pearl in it. It's hard to tell with the lighting. Put a satin clear coat finish on it, and I would say that this could be probably one of my favorite things I've painted yet with the cartoon paint job. So yes, it is a 9mm. Get the tape measure out. Oh, not that kind of millimeter. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I think the clip goes, yeah, just like that. I did not paint the clip because I figured it was only going to be the very bottom here and just wouldn't be worth all the extra effort to put the paint on it, and it would show a lot of wear and tear just constantly sliding in and out and loading it and everything else. So I just decided not to paint the clip. So very happy with the results on this one, and can't wait for the owner to receive the gun. And it's a surprise. And yeah, pretty cool stuff. All right, well, enough of gawking over a cool piece of art. It's a piece of art now. I don't even want to use it. It's pretty cool.